The party done, the party done. Enough people are going to say, yo, John Star. So, they never get their money's worth and all them things there, you see me? I remember say, yo, the show start from early out, Shirley out, you see me? Like from 8 o'clock them time there, 7 o'clock them time they show a go on, man, you see me? That's me that try show and I say, yo, church segment, a little bit of, poco, a little bit of ska, a little bit of reggae, a little bit of dancehall, and a little bit of trap dancehall or dancehall trap. You see me? So I hate 7-6 music, same way, Jamaican music to the fullest. So people are talking and say, yo, who other show was better than this show because the other show them go straight through from night, go straight through till morning, you see me? But being Vibes Cartel I work with everybody. You see me? All people women normally work with, like call it the law. You see me? I don't want police come shut off the dance therefore this is one of the reasons why them organize themselves, you see me? Centralize themselves and know say, yo, yeah, no embarrassment, you see me? So the average people, them not go overs, man. You see me? Them going to talk about Alkaline showed it better, the Massacre showed it better, Sunfest did better, Reggae Salute did better. But here I go. The one that started in the beginning of the year. You see me finishing last year. Says the past to the present, you see me, to the future. Let's pre that, man. You see me? But so far, my day is still, you see me, just chill up on the hillside. I go and beat a one dragon, smoke a one spliff. Take in one go and see him, you see me? Yeah, man, big up TMO, no sleep, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, come bed in the new year and wake up in the future. Hopefulness, people, big up on yourself. One, you see me? Yeah, man, a Freedom Street, man, you see me? 876 music. We out.